Welcome to MemoQ in 90 seconds. Today, tips and tricks to improve your alignments. If you're using LiveDocs to create your alignments, you know that you have different options to link sentences, mark and remove insertions, remove links, and so on. But did you know that you can also use several features to change the formatting of each segment and improve leverage? Let's take a look. Open your local project, go to the LiveDocs section, and select the alignment you want to edit. Click on Edit Document. First, notice how you can write directly on your segments and modify them. Now come with me to the Edit ribbon. We can use basic formatting. You can change bolded letters, italics, and so on. You can select certain sections of all segments from Source or Target. You can use these selection options to remove tags and get better leverage when you pre-translate from your alignment. You can also join and split segments. Now, let's go to the alignment ribbon for a last tip. Have you noticed that you can add terms to your term base from the alignment? Cool, huh? Thanks for watching.